Hello, this is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to cement PVC pipe. So your basic materials that you're going to need is purple primer or clear primer, either one, and also a glue, PVC cement glue. One thing I can't stress enough, you guys, is to work in well-ventilated areas, and also another thing, make sure that where any surface that you're working on that you need to take care of, make sure you cover the floor or anything like that, because this stuff is pretty nasty stuff. It will ruin your floors and it will ruin your clothing, and it will burn your hands if you get it on your hands, so be very careful with this stuff. Basically what you're going to start doing is going to go ahead and get your actual piece of pipe ready and your fitting, and first thing you're going to do is apply at least a 1 inch at least 1 inch on the pipe to make sure you have primer really well all the way around. Also prime the fitting that you're going to be gluing yourself into. Make sure that guy's primed on both sides really well. After you got that done, let it sit there for about 10 seconds. Then you're ready to apply your glue. First, apply your glue to your actual piece of pipe. Then apply some to your one side of the fitting that you're going to be gluing yourself onto. And you have less than 10 seconds to put them together. Once they go together, make sure you apply firm pressure for at least 30 seconds. Hold there in place until these guys don't move anymore. One of the things that can happen if you guys don't really hold it in place for 30 seconds and push them together, the glue has a tendency to expand and push the fitting apart and the actual pipe apart. So one thing to keep in mind. So once you got those two guys attached and you held it for 30 seconds, you're pretty much done. You've cemented a PVC pipe, and that's how you cement a PVC pipe.